Now, did you know that you could download your ChatGPT on your phone? If you didn't know this, well, here's a tip for today. A few benefits you have is you still have the history that you have saved on your web access. The same ChatGPT you log in through, maybe your Google username access login, and however you use it on the web, the same information will be stored on the app. So if you go to the App Store, type in this, click on search and type ChatGPT, you'll find it there. Just click the first one. This is it. Well, mine even needs an update, so I'll update this. Assuming I want to post this video now that I'm recording and I want to create a caption for it. One benefit I like about this mobile version is the fact that I can actually use voice to create prompts. So I'll say, hey ChatGPT, you're my caption AI and you're very smart in understanding Instagram and algorithm and creating the best captions with hashtags for maximum engagement. The type that will attract a lot of traffic to my posts, especially for this reel that I'm about to create. And here's the caption that you will edit. This is a video I'm creating for the purpose of making or helping my followers understand how to take advantage of the benefits of the mobile app for ChatGPT and taking you through the ways you can download and some of the hidden features you can use within the ChatGPT that includes the voice function that I'm using to prepare this caption. So try it out and let me know in the comments below. Edit this in a conversational manner, create the caption in a friendly conversational manner, and let the English be very clear and easy for the average Instagram follower to understand. And I click stop. It's converting my audio to text, and ChatGPT is quite good at understanding or picking up words or transcribing. So it's an AI, right? So it should be really apt. So within seconds, I already have my caption prepared. This is a good attempt, ChatGPT. Edit this, and you remember that this episode is an episode of Weekly Bytes, and include Weekly Bytes in the hashtags that you use. And that's it. Let's do it again. Try again. I like the haptic feel it gives when it's typing out because it's on your phone. All right, I enabled the haptic touch and feel, so I can feel it as it's typing. It just feels real, like the AI is alive, working with me. It's another episode of Weekly Bytes. That's right. You recognize the Weekly Bytes the way I spell it. Beautiful. Today, I'm going to dive into blah blah blah. Can't wait to hear ChatGPT experiences. Get chatty folks. That's it. So try this feature out and let me know in the comments.